Hey, so it's Dave at By Faith Clothing. Going out for a little bike ride today. Unless we get hit by the dude in the truck. This is what we get to ride. This is what we ran the other day. Last week, I think it was. It's quite the little hills. Good hill run. Never know what we'll see out here animal-wise. Decent little hill with a nice little drop. Alright, see you on the flip side. Alright, bike ride's complete. Just a little over, I think it was like 4.36 miles. Run by Faith, byfaithclothing.com. See the shirt. Obviously I didn't run today, but I still got out here and did some fitness. So that's what it's all about, right? Alright, beautiful sunny day. Clouds, awesome mountains in the background. It's a beautiful place. I'll be leaving here shortly, heading on to Texas, so just remember, bike safety. Make sure you got your helmet. Always wear your helmet. And a cool bike, of course. Alright, this is By Faith Clothing. Signing out. Deuces.